Hi guys, welcome to the course Basics of Astrology, Class 2. Today we are going to discuss about signs and natal chart. In our astrology there are 12 Rashis starting from Mesha, Vrushabha, Mithuna, Karkataka, Simha, Kanya, Tula, Vrishchika, Dhanus, Makara, Kumbha, Meena. So the Rashis mentioned are displayed in the chakras format. So we can visually draw chakras in three different ways. One is South Indian chakra, North Indian chakra and East Indian chakra. And you can see the visual presentation of South Indian style chakra starts from Mesham, Vrishabham, Mithunam and goes in clockwise direction, whereas North and East Indian chakras goes in the anti-clockwise direction. So among these there are different variations also present in North and East Indian chakras. So we mainly use South Indian chakra where there is only one variation and also it is widely used across all the softwares. So it is better to understand and easy to use. So we can draw chakras in three different formats. And please note that there is a difference between visually representing the chakras by drawing and the actual chakras that were present in astrology used to predict events. So there are chakras from D1 to D60. So if you found this very hard to understand, don't worry. We are not going to discuss all that. We need only D1 chart, and D1 chart is also called as natal chart. Natal chart is a chart that represents the position of planets at the time of your birth. So here we reached the end of the session. In upcoming classes, we are going to discuss about all 9 planets and its relations with Rashis. So I thank you all for watching this video, and please make sure to subscribe Sar Sangraha channel and don't forget to like and share. Thank you.